Hey guys, welcome to a brand new week. I realized I didn't start my vlog yet. I had quite a lazy day off today. I basically stayed home all day. Woke up, did some laundry, that's about it. I've been playing OOTD Chronicles all day. I stopped myself briefly to finish editing my vlog and everything, but that game is very, very good. Like, it's not like Final Fantasy VII Rebirth good, but it's just very addictive to play because it's just so simple. Anyway, I was getting thirsty and I realized my water bottle was empty, so I'm just refilling it again. But yeah, oh, the camera's aiming really low. Can I bring it up a bit? There you go. Things even better. Yeah, it's my third one today of drinking this. And my pattern, I think it's working out the way how I'm doing my no sugar thing. So on my days off, I'm gonna have sugar and just not worry about what I eat too much on my days off because it's my day off. But on my other days, I'm gonna be no sugar. So I think that's a good balance. In fact, even on my day off, I'm very self-conscious about what I'm eating still. And it's not on purpose, it's just natural like that. So I think I'll still continue to lose weight at a way slower rate, but it's still losing weight. And I'm getting healthy, and I'm not like depriving myself of nutrients. So yeah, I think it's a good way to approach this now. It's just still on my days off. I can eat whatever I want in moderation, of course. Even me giving myself that free range, I have not gone overboard today. So yeah. And then on my days where I have work and stuff, I'm just gonna have no sugar like I always do. So yeah, I think I will continue to lose weight, but just not as fast as I was when I was doing the no sugar. Wow, my hair is just horrible. Yeah, I did not put any efforts in today. Alright, let me fill my water bottle. I'm constantly having to fill or boil more water because I'm drinking so much water. This Stanley was probably the best idea I've had in a while. Because as I'm playing OOTD Chronicles, I'm just drinking water. Whenever there's a cutscene or a loading screen or anything like that, I'm just drinking water. There you go. It's a pretty standard week. This week I don't think there's anything too much crazy going on. Yeah, it's just work and stuff. That's about it. Maybe something random will happen, but probably not. I'm very routine now. Alright. Got my water, and I'm just gonna go back to playing games. And then I'm gonna order some food. I haven't done that in a while. The lady gave me some candy, some peach candy, so that's nice of her. I picked up some more radish kimchi. I picked up more bean sprouts. I got some more spicy tuna in a can. This is actually really, really handy to have around when I need to add extra dish for dinner or lunch, or need some protein. That, and it's healthy too, it's tuna. So that, I've got some green onions that are like shaved nicely for some decorative touch. And then I got some pork belly, thin ones, because I don't want to bother having to cook it longer. And you know, since I'm not making the bosam, I don't feel like I need the thick ones. It takes longer to cook. Got some Spam. And I got some more samjang. This was on sale for like $3 I think, so good deal on that. And then I got some proteins for the week. I'm probably gonna have to buy more groceries on Thursday when I get off early. I think my weekly trip to H Mart is every Tuesday now, because I get off work early, and since I just need a few proteins, I just go to the one near my house. As much as like the one near Zoe's house, it's just really out of the way. So I only go to those when I need to buy a lot of stuff. But yeah, so I'm gonna quickly put all this away, and then I'm gonna see what I want to eat because I am kind of hungry. Dinner time. I basically ordered a duck galbi. I was craving this for like a few days now. So it has chicken. It has some rice cakes in here too. Lots of green onions, which I really like, and some cabbage and stuff. Ooh, it's gonna be really hot, and it's spicy, but we'll see. First bite. Mmm. That's good. Oh my god. That was good. So I haven't done this in a while. Basically staying up super late watching a K-drama. I'm trying to finish this one, Queen of Tears. It got really good and very addictive near the second half. The first half was kind of boring, I'm not gonna lie, but the second half got really good. So I was kind of hooked, and currently it's 5:30 in the morning. There's actually light out right now. You can't really see it for the camera. There's light. So yeah, I haven't done this in a long time. But the funny thing is, I'm on episode 16 near the end, but the thing is, I fell asleep. I just woke up just now. I think I dozed off around episode 12. I started watching yesterday night at episode 8. So it's 4 episodes in. I think I fell asleep at episode 12 because I woke up to near the end of episode. I'm like, I think I missed a lot. So even though it looks like I'm finished, I'm not. I'm going to have to rewatch 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Well, on the bright side is I did fall asleep. So right now it's 5:30. I think I fell asleep around 2. So I got 3.5 hours. If I go to sleep now and wake up later at 10:30, that's 8 hours still. So that's not bad, guys. But that's still not good because I woke myself up. It's like a straight line of sleeping. Sure, I'm not showing my face because I look like death. But yeah, I haven't done this in a while. But at least it's not as bad as it usually is because I actually did fall asleep. Anyway, I'm going to quickly turn this off because I'm not watching this anymore. And then I'm going to head to actual bed. I think I'm going to regret it tomorrow or literally later in a few hours. Happy Una Day, May 10th. This is one of my favorite photos of Una, which makes sense because I did the big portrait of her here. But it's one of my favorite because she's smiling. Very genuine. Sorry I didn't vlog much today because, you know, with being Una Day and it's not the best memory. So I wasn't in the best of moods and I completely forgot to get the day off today. So work was a little bit of a struggle because just remembering Una and stuff, and then, you know, because of my friends passing last year, it's kind of harder around the same day because their birthdays are around the same time. So that's why it was just double. It was hitting me hard double. So that's why today wasn't the best day. But I am reminded that it's a good thing that I do vlog because if I didn't, I don't have all this Una clips to watch. And I was going to show you on my iPad and on my phone, but I realized I have editing skills. I can just take those snippets from my phone and my YouTube channel itself and just insert them right here. So you'll see that real quick. But yeah, no, it's just, I'm so glad I do vlog, and I vlogged a lot more back then, especially because I had Una, so she's extra content. If I don't have enough content for the week, I just film Una. So that's why I have so much Una content. But yeah, it was pretty tough today. And then there were the Northern Lights for some reason in the middle of May, so that was interesting. Sorry I didn't really vlog it. I don't think this camera would have been able to pick it up anyway, so tough. Yeah, I could see it. I wasn't super clear, but it was clearer than most people had because, you know, in Richmond it's not as bright. Anyway, I'm gonna send some uni clips here, but then yeah, so that's why I didn't really vlog much today. So yeah, I was gonna do some meal prep, but then I'm actually quite tired. I didn't sleep very well last night, and with me being so, is it emotional? Just emotionally drained from today. It's just, I'm very tired. And since I am working late tomorrow anyway, I can just wake up a little earlier to do prep. I was gonna prep bean sprouts I picked up earlier in the week, and then prep lunch for tomorrow. But again, I have time before work tomorrow, so I'm just gonna do that all tomorrow. So I'm gonna head to bed instead. what is going on with my hair. It's like, I need to end my vlog, but my hair looks like ass. Whatever. You guys got used to it. Just got into bed and I forgot to end the vlog, so here I am. Today was pretty uneventful. Went to work. Pretty productive day. Got a lot of stuff done at work, which is good because it makes my life easier on Monday. But anyway, I came home, I did some food prep because I realized I don't have any of those bean sprout side dish thing anymore in my fridge. So I made some, cooled it off, and then put it in the fridge. Not too crazy. And then took a shower, and here I am. I'm actually, I don't know why, the last 2 days I'm tired. Well, the reason I'm tired is probably because May 10th was just not the best. That was Friday, right? Yeah. Friday just took a toll on me, I think. And I didn't think it would affect me that much, but yeah. I miss you now a lot. Anyway. I think I'm gonna head to bed. Next week is, again, not too eventful, I think. I need to do some stuff because the vlogs are getting boring. It is probably getting boring. Perhaps it would be a good time to maybe take a break from vlogging for a little bit. I'll see. Maybe I'll vlog until I have to go on my trip and then, you know, not vlog at all for like 2 weeks. I think I might do that. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, I'm actually pretty tired, so I'm probably gonna head to bed. But yeah, nothing pretty much is gonna happen next week, I don't think. Right? I don't think so, yeah. Anyway, so I'll see you all next week.